Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as I said in my previous video, I was going to show you guys how I mix my clove oil with 3 other oils to make it even stronger and better for your hair. So this is it right here. I've already mixed it and I'm using it on my scalp and on my hair. This oil is very good for hair growth. It strengthens the hair follicle, it thickens your hair, it prevents breakage, it also helps to regrow your edges like it did with mine. I'm actually still using it for my edges because I want my edges to be thicker and fuller, but my edges were quite lighter than these before. So if you like to see how I make this oil, make sure you stay tuned. So this is olive oil that I've already measured in this pan right here, and this is a mixture of fenugreek seeds and black seeds. I've already blended these two together just to make it easy for me to use each time I want to make my oil. So this is the fenugreek seeds, what it looks like before me blending it into this new form. You can see right here. So I'm just going to show you guys the olive oil I use. This is extra virgin olive oil. It is the first pressed olive oil. So you actually just want to use the best grade of olive oil you can find on the market or in your supermarket, wherever it is you buy your olive oil. Just make sure you buy a good quality of olive oil for this recipe. So I'm just going to be taking 1 teaspoon of the mixture and I'm putting it into my olive oil. This is about 1/4 cup of olive oil, so should in case you need measurements. Then I'm just wrapping up the rest and I'm keeping it so it doesn't get bad for further use. Here you see me stirring. I think the video is pretty self-explanatory, but where I think I need to explain, I'm just going to come in and explain what I'm doing and why I'm doing that. So after mixing, I'm just going to use the double boiling method to heat up the oil so the nutrients in the seeds can be transferred to the oil. This is basically the same process I used when I was making my clove oil. So if you've not actually seen how I made my clove oil, please make sure you check the video. This is it right here. Just make sure you click on it and watch how I made my clove oil, which I'm going to be mixing with this one too. So I'm just stirring it, but I'm going to let it cool down before I transfer it into my application bottle. So here in my application bottle, I have clove oil already inside, and I'm just going to be straining this fenugreek and black seed oil into the clove oil. Now the mixture of these 3 ingredients is very good for your hair. Please make sure you try it if you're experiencing thinning, if your edges are falling out, if you are experiencing shedding, or maybe you're just trying to grow your hair faster and thicker, then you want to try this out. I've been using this oil for a very long time now, and I started using it consistently 3 months ago, and I've noticed a great change in my edges. It has become thicker and fuller like I showed you guys on my thumbnail, but I'm going to insert the picture here as well so you can see how much this oil has helped me thicken my edges. Then I'm going in to add my essential oils. You guys know I love the essential oils. This is lavender essential oil. Lavender is known to grow hair faster. It makes your hair grow faster. So if that is your goal, if that's your reason why you're on this 5 months maximum hair growth journey, then make sure you add lavender essential oil into your oil mix. Then this is tea tree oil. If you're struggling with dandruff, if your scalp is itching, or if you have any other scalp infections or conditions, you definitely want to try tea tree oil. It is very powerful in giving you a healthy scalp. healthy scalp equals healthy hair growth, so make sure you try that. Now this is peppermint essential oil. It helps relieve the scalp, it increases blood circulation to the scalp, it nourishes the hair follicle, and it also makes it easier for your scalp or your hair to absorb the other nutrients in the oil. So you want to make sure you add peppermint essential oil, and here is our rosemary essential oil. Now tea tree essential oil is very good to regrow your edges, to basically just rejuvenate the cells. It's very good to regrow your edges, especially if you have been trying tons of remedies and you're not seeing any change in your edges. You definitely want to add tea tree oil into your oil mix, as it's going to help thicken your hair in the areas where you're experiencing thinning. So I just shook that up very well, and I'm going to be applying it to my hair so you guys can see. This is a very simple go-to hairstyle for me, and I also recommend you have your hair in something simple. It may be twist or some other thing, but you just want your hair to be out so you can access your scalp and hair at all times during this 5 months maximum hair growth journey. So this oil, I'm applying it to my hair 3 to 4 times weekly, and I'm massaging it gently into my scalp. So make sure you do the same thing. Scalp massages are so helpful when it comes to hair growth, thickening your hair and boosting hair growth. So you want to incorporate the scalp massage. It's a very important step. Make sure you do it as well. I'm going to be massaging my scalp for 8 to 10 minutes just to make sure that I warm up my scalp, and I also get those oils into my hair shaft and my hair follicle so they can actually start working. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video, but basically what I'm doing is applying the oil and massaging my scalp. So guys can see shrinkage is a big deal, but that's no problem. It's just a sign that your hair is healthy and is doing well. So make sure shrinkage doesn't actually bother you. It's no big deal. It's just one of the things you should expect by growing natural hair. So for me, shrinkage is not really a problem. I hope it's not going to be a problem for you as well. I'm just going to continue massaging my scalp and let you guys watch the video. I'm going in my scalp, my edges, throughout my hair, and I just redo this 3 to 4 times each week just to make sure I'm constantly massaging and getting those nutrients in. So I see so many people watching my videos without subscribing. Please make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell to join this 5 months maximum hair growth challenge. So this oil, we're going to be using it for the next 5 months, so you guys can have enough time to see the difference in your hair before you started using this oil and after you started using this oil. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please share this video so we can have so many people on board for the 5 months maximum hair growth challenge. So see you guys in the next videos. Thank you.